The top 6 things you should know about PDRN salmon DNA treatments. Let's explore one of the most advanced skin rejuvenation treatments available, salmon DNA. This powerful skin booster harnesses the restorative properties of polydeoxyribonucleotides, or PDRN, to improve skin texture, hydration, and overall radiance. Whether you're curious about how it works or considering it as part of your skincare plan, here are the key benefits and why it might be the right solution for you. Number 1. Powerful skin repair and regeneration. PDRN is a naturally occurring molecule derived from salmon DNA. It works at a cellular level to repair damaged skin, improve elasticity, and stimulate tissue regeneration. It enhances the skin's ability to heal itself, reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin texture. PDRN also helps strengthen the skin's barrier, making it more resistant to environmental stressors. Number 2. Deep hydration and improved skin texture. PDRN contains powerful hydrating properties, helping the skin retain moisture and improve its overall barrier function. This results in plumper, more radiant skin with improved texture and tone. The hydration boost also helps soften the appearance of fine lines and creates a healthy, dewy glow. Number 3. Increased collagen production for firmer skin. Collagen is the foundation of firm, youthful skin, and salmon DNA helps stimulate collagen production over time. As your skin produces more collagen, you'll notice increased firmness, improved elasticity, and a more lifted appearance. This makes salmon DNA an effective long-term solution for addressing sagging and volume loss. Number 4. Reduction in redness and inflammation. Salmon DNA has calming and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and improve overall skin tone. This makes it a great option for individuals with sensitive skin or those experiencing inflammation from environmental stressors. Number 5. Long-lasting results with minimal downtime. Unlike treatments that provide only temporary improvements, salmon DNA promotes deep, long-term skin health. As collagen production increases and the skin's repair processes become more efficient, the results continue to improve over several weeks. Most patients notice smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin with minimal downtime. Number 6. A customized approach to skin health. Everyone's skin is unique, and the best results come from a tailored approach. A consultation with one of our qualified medical practitioners can help determine whether PDRN is the right choice to help address your skin's specific needs. Whether you're looking to improve hydration, texture, or overall tone, a personalized plan ensures the best outcome. The Salmon DNA Facial is a cutting-edge treatment to restore and enhance your skin's natural health and radiance. With its powerful healing and regenerative properties, this treatment offers a deep, long-lasting solution for healthier, more youthful skin. For personalized care and a tailored treatment plan, book a consultation today with one of our expert team members at Sparrow MD.